This is your final project work, that is project work on disaster management. And what are the disaster management? Disaster management means we are talking already, we are talking about the hazard and disaster. Again, explain the hazard and disaster again. What is hazard? Tell me, what is hazard? Yes, Patiksha, tell me. Yes, yes, yes. What is hazard? Till now we are discussing. It's a natural phenomenon, incident which is hampered the environment. Clear? It's called hazard. Okay. When the human being are affected with this hazard, hazard converted into disaster. Clear? Simple. As okay, sit down. The our project is disaster management. What is disaster management? Choose any one topic. Choose any one topic means whatever it which is under the category of the hazard and disaster. Okay, like earthquake, like tsunami, like drought, like flood, like volcanism, etc., which is affected the human being. Okay, because we are considered the disaster. Okay, clear? The disaster management. Now, what is disaster management? Any kind of management is basically classified on the three phases. What are the three phases? There are three phases. Number one is pre. Number one is pre. Second is during, and the third is post. Clear, all of you? Visible the board? All of you respond. Yes or no? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the management? Management is basically based on the 3 points or 3 bases or 3 classification. Clear? 3 स्टेज में इसका क्लासिफिकेशन है. ठीक है? All of you, बोर्ड दिख रहा है? Yes or no? What is the pre-management? What is the pre-management? Tell me. Firstly, we are identify somehow. Suppose that this is an area, particular area. Suppose that whatever A, B, C, D, what एक नाम दे दो उसका. Suppose that area and find out a problem. Find out a problem means one, we are considered disaster management. So suppose that we are find the earthquake. Okay, respect to the India. Suppose that the we are considered India, and we are talking about the earthquake. Our topic is earthquake. Okay, so what we'll do? The first is pre-management. First, in this portion of the pre-management, we are consider the mapping or zoning. What is mapping or zoning? What is the pre? Pre means mapping and zoning. Mapping means just find out the location which is affected by the earthquake throughout the India. हमें क्या ढूंढ निकालना है? पहले first of all we are identify the earthquake prone zone in India. Okay, clear? That means according to the previous data, according to the मतलब जो भी है सर्च करके इंटरनेट सर्च करके according to your book whatever, just find out the area which is affected by the earthquake. Clear? That it's called earthquake zone, earthquake prone, or the zone affected by the earthquake. Okay. First of all, the pre-management is basically mapping. Why mapping? Because we are not know the all places of the India, right? Yes or no? हम सारे प्लेस के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं लिख पाते. But just go to the Google and search what are the affected area of the India through the earthquake. You can get the list of the places. Yes or no? जब हम सर्च करेंगे which areas are mainly affected by the earthquake in India, you can get a list, you can get some information, right? Yes or no? So basically, according to India, our northern portion, what is the northern portion? The topmost portion, that is the belt of the Himalaya portion. We have considered this portion, the northern portion zone. The northern portion of the India, it's affected by the earthquake. Why? Why it is affected by the earthquake? Because it's not in mature condition. It is situated on the converging plate boundary. You all know that what is converging plate boundary. We are already discussed in our physiography chapter. याद आ रहा है? Just remind us the thing. There are three types of plate boundary: converging plate boundary, diverging plate boundary, and the transform plate boundary. What is converging plate boundary? When the two plates are coming towards each other from different direction, it's called converging plate boundary. And what is the result? What is the result? One plate will destroy by another. Yes or no? Just remind the thing. Just search the physiography chapter. Just search, all of you. Physiography, go to the physiography chapter. Hey, go to the physiography chapter. Find out the three types of plate boundary. We are already discussed physiography.